Hi, this is a review of the order trade activity for June 1st, 2021. We had 4 trades on that day. 3 were buys, 1 was a short sell. First trade is TVAX. That's TVAX Technologies Corporation. It tripped at 12:24:50 p.m. at a price of $8.19. It was a buy. Closed at 8:11, down 1.10%, and it closed at excuse me. It was down early morning 0.12%. So we'll see if there's any activity here. 12:24. So 12:24. So roughly around there. 8:11, 8:19, 20, 20. So there's a couple of points where it did come up above it. 8:20, 20, 23, 20. Okay, so that stock had multiple points where it was above its tripping price. So that's a positive. So we'll check the indicators. OBV, nothing drastic. You see a couple of points, like roughly where it tripped. It came up volume-wise, but you can see in the day volume was coming down. MACD came up in the early afternoon, mid-afternoon. Averages were moving up. DI again came up, but then went negative right after that. Positive. So you see DI is actually showing it was jumping back and forth between positive and negative. Bollinger Band showing almost sideways movement. So volume, price-wise, it really didn't change too much. Next trade is CEI. That's Camber Energy Incorporated. It tripped at 12:41:04 p.m. at a price of 70 cents. It was a buy. Closed the day at 68.92, up 7.72%. It's actually down 1.33% early morning. Let's see, 12:41. So it tripped right around here. 69, 70, 71. There's multiple points where the stock did come up above its tripping price. It's a penny stock, so the fact that it was only a fraction of a cent is normal for penny stocks. OBV, you can see it was starting to come up. It came up and stayed up volume in the afternoon, and you see at the end of the day it dropped. MACD, same thing. DI positive. DI is a good portion of the time it was positive, but you can see in the day though it was moving downwards. And Bollinger Band, it somewhat was moving a little bit upwards, and then just basically returned and started moving negative. But overall, the stock was up for the day. Next trade is EPR. That's EPR Properties. It tripped at 12:46:30 p.m. at a price of 54.01. It was a buy. It closed the day at 54.98, up 11.86%. So that's another positive. We'll check the indicator for that. OBV looks good, just moving steadily upwards. MACD maintaining and moving upwards on a good portion. DI, it was pretty much positive for most of the day, and see the Bollinger Band, the price itself was just moving upwards. That stock was definitely moving positive. Next trade is FAST. That is Fastenal Company, and it tripped at 3:55 p.m. I don't include these stocks that tripped so late in the day, 5 minutes before closing. It for me is not valid, so I'm not going to include it. But it tripped to 52.57 and closed at 52.54. So technically, it is a positive, but I'm not going to include it. So that's 3 stocks out of the day. All of them were positive, so that's 100%. So another good day. I'll leave it at that. Thank you.